Hey, how are you? Today we're brought to you by the letter U. We have it twice, Uber and Unbox. This wonderful box came to a friend of mine. He happens to be a Uber driver, also works for a great software company and does Uber in the evenings, but he's a preferred driver. Imagine getting this totally unexpectedly in the mail. He gets this wonderful box. Uber was suffering a bit of a public relations fiasco a few months ago, if you remember, and they wanted to recognize their drivers and remind them how important they were. So their top drivers, they reached out to, and they got this kind of a box to say thank you very much. Imagine, you get this, you open it up, total surprise, and inside, what is there? An actual video starts playing about how appreciative they are. This physical item came in the mail with a bumper sticker you can put on your bumper to show how appreciative you are. It tells you here that when riders look you up, they're gonna see that you're one of the preferred drivers. And on top of that, inside the box, it reminds you that you're gonna get extra tips. Uber's throwing in some extra tips for the preferred driver. And when you finally open up the last piece of this box, what do you get? An Uber coffee mug. Is there anything more I can say about saying thank you, about doing it physically, and about the impact this had on this guy? As a driver, he felt appreciated. Let me just tell you, if you do this with your customers, with your staff, you're going to reap the rewards of great growth.